Afternoon guys, Damien Jones here again for you today, and today I just thought I'd do a bit of a vlog. I've had something good in the post, so let's go and have a look. I got this package from China. Obviously I've obscured my address because I don't want anyone said to be death threats. We'll take a look anyway. Bust it open. I'm on my mobile today, so here we go. What have we got? What have we got? We got the Creature from the Black Lagoon model kit by Elfin. So let's take a look. I love these vinyl model kits. They're like cheaper remouldings of classic model kits that have been available in the 80s usually. It's going to be a 12-inch figure once it's done. I'm just going to check with you that all the bits are here, so I'll just pop you here in a minute. A lot of bits in this one. What you have to do with these remoulding kits is cut off all the sprue, and sometimes the bits are a little bit misshapen, so you put them in hot water with a kettle and just reshape them and run them under the cold tap to reshape them, glue them together, and then get to work with my paints. Oh, that's me Jason figure up there, but I went and did recently. I still didn't do his mask, but I've got him to finish. I like taking my time with these. We've probably got the instructions now in Chinese as well as usual. That's probably a photocopy of the original box. And basically everything I just said that I was going to do in squigglish Chinese writing. Yep, everything that I said. And in the end it's going to look something like that. Seriously though guys, you want to get yourself on eBay and you know, check these model kits out. They're by a company called Elfin. As I say, the remouldings of original ones, but some of them are a bit off, some of them are a bit misshapen, but you can soon sort that out. This one looks nigh on perfect actually. The details in looks very good as well, so there it is. I'm going to enjoy doing that, and for now though, my name's Damien Jones. Thank you very much for watching, and also I'd like to take this opportunity to give a quick shout out to Paul Hayes. Check out his channel. He's a big collector, he's got a lot of good stuff to show, so check him out. And also Nick's Toy Barn, check him out. And I shall see you on the next one. Cheers for watching.